Have you ever saved a cool post or reel on Facebook, but couldn't find it later? In this video, I'll show you exactly where all your saved content is hidden. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap on the saved icon. Once you're in the Save section, you can see all your items under the All tab. This includes everything you've saved recently. Want to filter your view? Simply tap on the Reels tab at the top to see only the videos you've saved. Similarly, you can tap on the Posts tab to quickly access all the regular posts you bookmarked. It's that simple to manage your collection. If this quick guide was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Facebook tricks. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.